Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Orange English. I'm Olivia, and I'm excited to have you here today. Today's episode is all about talking about time and dates in English. Knowing how to discuss the time, days, months, and important dates is essential for daily life, whether you are making plans, scheduling appointments, or talking with friends. Have you ever wanted to ask someone about the time or a date in English but weren't sure how to say it correctly? Or maybe you heard someone give the time and couldn't understand it. Don't worry. In this episode, we will learn simple and clear ways to talk about time and dates so you can speak confidently and understand others. Today, we will practice asking and telling the time politely, talking about days, dates, and months, using common phrases for schedules and appointments, asking about birthdays, holidays, and special events, and understanding different ways people express time. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about time and dates naturally and politely in English. You don't need to memorize complicated phrases. Simple, clear sentences are enough. Take a deep breath. Imagine you are scheduling a meeting or asking someone the time, and let's get started. Talking about time is easy if you follow a few rules. Step 1. Ask the time politely. Use phrases like, "What time is it, please?" Or, "Could you tell me the time?" Or, "Do you know the time?" Step 2. Tell the time clearly. Use simple sentences. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3:30. It's 4:45. Step 3. Talk about dates. Use the structure day plus month plus year. Today is 22nd December 2025. My birthday is on 5th March. We have a meeting on Monday, 25th December at 2 p.m. Step 4. Discuss days and months. Days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Months of the year, January, February, March. Step 5. Schedule events politely. Can we meet on Thursday at 3 p.m.? Would you like to have lunch on Saturday? Let's meet next Monday. Tips: use numbers clearly for hours and dates. Add please when asking the time or arranging a meeting. Repeat the date or time if someone asks. Example: "Excuse me, could you tell me the time, please?" "It's 4:30 p.m. "Thank you. Can we meet on Monday, 29th December at 2 p.m.? Clear and polite sentences help everyone understand you easily. Practice asking and answering about time and dates. Asking the time. "What time is it?" "It's 3 o'clock. "Could you tell me the time, please?" "Sure, it's 5:15 p.m. Talking about days and dates. "When is your birthday?" "My birthday is on 12th January. "What day is it today?" "Today is Wednesday." Making appointments. "Can we meet on Friday?" "Yes, let's meet at 2 p.m. Asking about events. "When is the next holiday?" "The next holiday is on 25th December. Polite follow-up phrases. "Thank you for telling me." "I'll see you then." "That sounds great." Practicing these questions and answers helps you understand and speak about time and dates naturally. Talking about time and dates happens in many social situations, with friends or classmates. What time does the class start? Shall we meet on Saturday? With teachers or coworkers. When is the meeting scheduled? Can we reschedule to next Monday? In public places. Excuse me, what time does the bus leave? When is the next train? polite responses. It leaves at 4:45 p.m. The meeting is on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Sure, next Monday works for me. Tips: use clear numbers for hours and dates. Use polite words like please and could. Repeat the time or date if needed. Smile and keep a friendly tone. Understanding and using time and date phrases improves communication in daily life and avoids confusion. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to talk about time and dates in English. We practiced asking and telling the time, discussing days, dates, and months, and scheduling events politely. These skills are useful at school, work, and social situations. Remember, clear and polite sentences are enough. You don't need long or complicated phrases. Short, step-by-step phrases work best for beginners. Here is your practice for today. Say these out loud. Excuse me, could you tell me the time, please? Today is Monday, 22nd December. Can we meet next Thursday at 3 p.m.? Try using these phrases today with friends, classmates, teachers, or coworkers. Practicing will help you speak confidently and politely about time and dates. Thank you for listening to Orange English. I'm Olivia, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and enjoy talking about time and dates in English.